Java powering AI applications. Java, a robust and versatile language, plays a crucial role in developing and deploying AI applications, particularly in enterprise settings. While Python and R excel in AI model development, Java shines in building scalable and maintainable AI systems. Its platform independence and strong performance make it ideal for creating AI applications that can run seamlessly on various devices and operating systems. Java's extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks provides developers with a wealth of tools for building AI-powered applications. Libraries like Deep Learning 4J and Weka offer a wide range of machine learning algorithms and tools, while frameworks like Spring Boot simplify the development of enterprise-grade AI applications. Furthermore, Java's strong focus on object-oriented programming promotes code reusability and maintainability, essential factors for large-scale AI projects. Its mature tooling and vast community support make Java a reliable choice for building production-ready AI systems. For B.Tech students interested in developing and deploying real-world AI applications, mastering Java is a valuable asset. Section 5. Mastering the languages of tomorrow. In the rapidly evolving landscape of AI, acquiring a strong foundation in programming languages like Python, R, and Java is paramount for B.Tech students. These languages are the building blocks of intelligent systems, enabling developers to create innovative solutions that are shaping the future. As AI continues to permeate every aspect of our lives, the demand for skilled professionals who can harness the power of these languages will only continue to grow. Mastering these languages equips aspiring tech professionals with a competitive edge in the job market. Companies across all industries are actively seeking individuals with expertise in AI and machine learning, offering lucrative salaries and exciting career opportunities. By investing time and effort in learning Python, R, and Java, B.Tech students are investing in their future success. Moreover, the knowledge and skills gained from learning these languages extend far beyond the realm of AI. Python's versatility makes it valuable in web development and data analysis, while R's statistical prowess is applicable to various fields, from finance to healthcare. Java's robustness and scalability are essential for building enterprise-grade applications across industries. Learning these languages provides B.Tech students with a versatile skill set that opens doors to a wide range of career paths. Section 6. Your AI journey begins now. The world of AI is brimming with opportunities for those with the passion and skills to seize them. For B.Tech students, the journey begins with mastering the languages that power this technological revolution. Embrace the challenge, dive into the world of Python, R, and Java, and unlock your potential to become a leader in the exciting field of artificial intelligence. Remember, learning a programming language is a journey, not a destination. Start with the fundamentals, practice consistently, and don't be afraid to explore and experiment. The world of AI is constantly evolving, so embrace a growth mindset and never stop learning. As you embark on your AI journey, seek out opportunities to apply your knowledge and build real-world projects. Participate in hackathons, contribute to open-source projects, and collaborate with peers to solidify your understanding and gain practical experience. The future of AI is in your hands. Go out there and make your mark.